What about account openings and overall engagement of your clients so far in 2021?
No, it's a great question, Wolf, and we've continued to see the pattern we saw in 2020, and that is many more people interested in the market overall. We continue to see very strong account growth into 2021 because people, had time last year, got educated, and now, we saw at the beginning of this month, obviously, with the move in some of these stocks that were, shall we just say, unexpected. Many people came and said, hey, what is going on here? I want to try and learn more about it. So overall, I certainly don't want to see people go in and you're going to go crazy on one stock. Obviously, that's not good for anybody. We work really hard to get these accounts. We don't want to lose them. But the fact is that more people are interested in the market than ever, and that's a really, really great sign. I just hope people spend the time to get educated before they go in and make these investments.
And to that point, JJ, whether overall or in some specific names, do you think your clients made money or lost money on the likes of GameStop?
Well, I think that's a really difficult question overall, to be honest with you, Wilf. What I will say is I look at GameStop, I look at AMC. One of the things that we saw was our clients were actually more involved with AMC than they were in GameStop, part of it being perhaps the price point. But I would tell you this, there was a lot of rotation in both of them. So it wasn't like at the end of the month you're sitting there, oh my God, there's this huge long presence or huge short presence. People were rotating throughout the stocks quite a bit.
Allie, how has it affected the mood and the appetite for stocks among your wealthier clients?
Yeah, I would have to emphasize what JJ said, right? There have been 3 times in my career, and this is evidenced by the earnings that we've seen from all of the banks and asset managers, when there has been this much flux, opportunity, and movement and engagement with high net worth clients. The first was after the internet boom, the second was post the financial crash, and here we are again. So back to people like Bill Miller, a mentor of mine, saying, cash and courage in a crisis is priceless, from Warren Buffett's commentary. So there is a lot of interest in getting back to the fundamentals of investing, getting back to the technicals of investing, right? And now we may have this third way that all of these platforms are talking about, a way to look at the environment. But ultimately, my clients were not particularly interested in these stocks per se. They were interested in whether they were contaminating, there was contagion into other markets, and whether this, a la a flash crash, for example, could be one of these unknown unknowns like the pandemic that set off something in the economy or the market, which we don't believe it is. And I mean, look what a week has done.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.